was with you and not with them. And when you told me that my opinion was wrong, and you tried to make me forget where I came from, and I didn't want to write a song cause I didn't want anyone thinking I still care, I don't. But you still hit my